this old house. I saw the firelight the sky, but there's no sign of rain anywhere. I need a hurricane to empty out this place. It seems it's the only way to salvage any sense I have left to move on. I'm waiting to hear your voice again and lighten up this heart. I'm holding on to stupid memories, but I see you in every little thing. I need a hurricane to straighten out this place. Maybe the only way to salvage any sense I have left to move on. I need a hurricane to ravage through this place. Think it's the only way to salvage any sense I have left to move on. I felt the faint trace of thunder, faint trace of thunder, but there's no sign of rain anywhere. No, there's no